Hello students, today topic is important straits and canals of the world. Strait is nothing but it is a narrow, deepest natural water body which separates two land bodies and connects two water bodies. One is Bering Strait. Bering Strait separates Siberia of Russia and Alaska of USA. Siberia of Russia and Alaska of United States of America. And it connects Chukchi Sea of Arctic Ocean, Bering Sea of Pacific Ocean. It connects Chukchi Sea of the Arctic Ocean and Bering Sea of the Pacific Ocean. It separates North American continent and the Asian continent. Next, Tartary Strait. It separates eastern part of the Russia and Sakhalin island of Russia, and it connects Okhotsk Sea and Sea of Japan. It connects Okhotsk Sea and Sea of Japan. Next one, Lapros Strait. Lapros Strait. It separates Sakhalin island of Russia and Hokkaido island of Japan, and it connects Okhotsk Sea and Sea of Japan. Next one is Tsugaru Strait. It separates Hokkaido island of Japan and Honshu island of Japan. It connects Sea of Japan and the Pacific Ocean. Sea of Japan and the Pacific Ocean. Next, Korea Strait. Korea Strait separates South Korea and Kyushu island of Japan. Kyushu island of Japan, and it connects LOC and Sea of Japan. Next one, Taiwan Strait or Formosa Strait. It separates China and Taiwan, and it connects South China Sea and East China Sea. Next, Luzon Strait. Luzon Strait separates Taiwan and Philippines country. and it connects South China Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Next we are going to Malacca Strait. Malacca Strait separates Malaysia and Sumatra Island of Indonesia, and it connects Andaman Sea of Indian Ocean, Java Sea of Andaman Sea of the Indian Ocean, and the Java Sea of the Pacific Ocean or South China Sea. It is a gateway of the Pacific Ocean from Indian Ocean. Next, Johor Strait. Johor Strait. It separates Malaysia and Singapore countries, and it connects Malacca Strait and South China Sea. Next, Sunda Strait. Sunda Strait separates Sumatra Island and Java Islands of Indonesia. It connects Indian Ocean and Java Sea. Next, Makassar Strait. It separates Borneo Island or Kalimantan Island and Sulawesi Islands of Indonesia. It connects Java Sea and Celebes Sea. Next we are going to Torres Strait. Torres Strait separates New Guinea Island, which is located northeastern side of the Australian continent. It separates New Guinea Island and Australian continent, and it connects Arafura Sea and Coral Sea. Next, Bass Strait. Southeastern side of the Australian continent, Tasmanian Island is located. Bass Strait separates Australian continent and Tasmanian Island. It connects Tasmanian Sea and Great Australian Bight. Great Australian Bight is the part of the Southern Ocean. Next, Cook Strait. Cook Strait separates Northern New Zealand Island and Southern New Zealand Island. It connects Tasmanian Sea and the Pacific Ocean. Next, Four Arcs Strait. Four Arcs Strait separates Stewart Island and Southern New Zealand Island. This strait is located in the Pacific Ocean. The New Zealand has three important islands. One is Northern New Zealand Island, second one is Southern New Zealand Island, third one is Stewart Island. We can see two important states. One is Cook Strait, the second one is Four Arcs Strait. Next, Armosa state. It separates UAE, Oman and Iran country. It connects Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Next, Bab el Mandeb. It separates Djibouti of African continent, Yemen country of Asia. Djibouti and Yemen countries. It separates Djibouti and Yemen countries. And it connects Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden. Next we are going to Kerch Strait. Kerch. Kerch Strait separates Ukraine and Russia, and it connects Black Sea and Azov Sea. Next, Bosphorus Strait. Bosphorus Strait separates Asian Turkey and European Turkey. It connects Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. Black Sea and Sea of Marmara. Next, Dardanelles State. Dardanelles State separates Asian Turkey and European Turkey. It means it separates Asia and Europe. It connects Sea of Marmara and Aegean Sea. Next, Taranto Strait. Taranto Strait, it separates Italy and Albania, and it connects Adriatic Sea and Ionian Sea. Adriatic Sea and Ionian Sea. Next, Messina Strait. Messina Strait separates Sicily Island and Italy. It connects Tyrrhenian Sea and southern part of the Mediterranean Sea. Next, Bonifacio Strait. Bonifacio Strait separates Corsica and Sardinia islands. These are in Mediterranean Sea. This strait also in the Mediterranean Sea. Yes. Dover Strait. Dover Strait separates Britain and France. It connects English Channel and North Sea. English Channel and North Sea. St. George Strait. St. George Strait. It separates Ireland and Britain. It is Atlantic. This state is in Atlantic Ocean. Kiel Canal. It connects Baltic Sea and North Sea. Baltic Sea and North Sea. Next, Stalin Canal. It connects Baltic Sea and the Arctic Ocean. It is the longest canal, 587 kilometers distance. Next, we are going to Magellan State. Magellan State separates Terra del Fuego Island and Chile country in South American continent. It connects Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. Next, Yucatan State. Yucatan State separates Mexican country and Cuba country. It connects Yucatan State separates Mexican country and Cuba country, and it connects Gulf of Mexico and Caribbean Sea. Next, Florida State separates USA and Cuba country. It connects Gulf of Mexico and Sargasso Sea. Sargasso Sea and Caribbean Sea, these two are the part of the Atlantic Ocean. Next, Davis Strait. It separates Greenland and Canada. It has more width state in the world, approximately more than 170 kilometers. It connects Baffin Bay and Labrador Sea. Hudson State. It separates Baffin Island from the mainland of Canada. Next, Denmark State. It separates Greenland and Iceland, and it connects Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Next, we are going to Panama Canal. Panama Canal separates North American continent and the South American continent, and it connects the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Suez Canal. It separates Asia and African continents, and it connects Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Fox Strait. It separates India, Sri Lanka, and it connects Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Mozambique Channel. It separates eastern part of the African continent and Madagascar. This channel is located in the Indian Ocean. These are the important channels. One more, I will say. Bering Strait. One more. Gibraltar State. Gibraltar State separates Europe and African continents, or it lies Spain in Europe and Morocco in Africa. It connects Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. It is also called Key of the Mediterranean Sea. One is Bering Strait, Tartary Strait, Lapros Strait, Sugaru Strait, Korea Strait, Formosa Strait, Luzon Strait, Malacca Strait, Johor Strait, Sunda Strait, Makassar Strait, Torres Strait, Bass Strait, Cook Strait, Four Ox Strait, Hermosa Strait, Bab el Mandeb Strait, Kutch Strait, Bosporus Strait, Dardanelles Strait, Warranto Strait, Messina Strait, Bonifacio Strait, Dover Strait, St. George Strait, Kiel Canal, Stalin Canal, Magellan Strait, Panama Canal, Suez Canal, Yucatan Strait, Florida Strait, Davis Strait, Denmark Strait, Hudson Strait, Park Strait, Mozambique Channel, and so forth. These are the important states, canals. Thank you, students. I hope could you understand what I have taught so far.